I want to give name for this. I don't want this as a panel name as panel. So maybe it is text display or simply display device. Or if whatever you want, we can give display. Or even text display. Since we are talking about text display. Okay. Now I want to increase the font size of this. It's very simple. Just the bottom, you could see the font size. Go there and enter whatever number you want. I'm making it 18. Okay. And then press enter. Now I want this to be in the center. Okay. So panel name also, I'm just going to change it as I said, text display. And alignment. After that, you need to press the enter. Alignment, I want to be in the center. So text display, you can adjust. And even panel size, you can drag and adjust according to your wish. So based on the number of components that you are adding, you can keep on add up on the, you can keep on increase the size or reduce the size. Okay, and I want to add a different color for my app that I'm going to design. Yeah, that is possible. You can add the color even. Just look at the color here, foreground color. Just go there and click on some color, enter. Okay. Then if you want to bold it, you can bold it. And font name, what type of font if you want to use, especially if you are particular about any font name, you can give the font name. All those options are available here. Okay. So this is what now. Now I'm going to display a text. Now I required a component which could display a text. You can see here edit field text in the left hand side. So I'm just taking that and I'm just releasing over my panel. Yeah. You can increase the size also. See, once I added this component, you can see here app.edit field. It is a tag name. What is the tag? What is the tag name for this? App.edit field. Yes. Now I required a push button. So I'm just releasing push button here. Okay. See now. And you see, by seeing these names, you are not comfortable. Like, edit field, you don't want edit field, you want to give your own name, you can give whatever you want. You can just double click over it and then you can change the name according to your wish. Okay. And for example, here button is there. No, I don't want like this. You want to change the name of that. Yeah, you can change, just double click on that and then you can change whatever name you want. Yeah, I just renamed it as a start. Okay. Now, so what should happen? The moment I press the start button,